When the whole wide world starts getting me down and I can't find up and I'm turned around and the pressure of life is more than I can bear, there's a place I can go, it's not far away. I don't have to fly or drive all day, and it takes away my worries and my cares. I go fly fishing in my head in a clear blue stream, and the setting sun all big and red. I go fly fishing in my head, and it takes away my pain. I go fly fishing in my head. Well, everywhere I look I see all gray and brown. I got a 9 to 5 and it's bringing me down. I find I work into the night until the cows come home to graze. I handle other people's money in their private accounts, moving tons of piles of cash in unbelievable amounts. My brain is getting addled and I'm in a constant haze. So I go fly fishing in my head in a clear blue stream, and the setting sun all big and red. I go fly fishing in my head, and it makes me feel alive. I'm going fly fishing in my head. Morgan's got a piece of me now, but I gotta believe I'll get away somehow. Make an awful lot of money and I'll strike out on my own. I'll buy a piece of land out where the buffalo roam, and me and my baby will build a fine home. And I'll write a lot of music with my friends. Until then I'll go fly fishing in my head in a clear blue stream, and the setting sun all big and red. I go fly fishing in my head, and it keeps alive my dreams. I'm gonna fly, I'm gonna fly away.